Hello! Welcome to another useful video from the Data Analytics channel. Today we will find a cool VBA trick that helps us find all the errors in our Excel workbook, meaning in all the sheets. Why is this useful? Because when you have a complex workbook, you can have errors in multiple sheets and you are not aware of them. Yes, indeed, you can check manually these errors with the help of the find and select. Go to special, you go to formulas and check only errors. And the errors will be highlighted. But you have to do this in every sheet. This is not efficient. We can use a VBA code and a new sheet will be inserted with all the details of the errors. So we will open the VBA editor pressing Alt and F11. Okay, we insert a new module and copy this code. Don't worry, I will copy this code in the first comment of this video so you can use it immediately. We run it and look, a new sheet is created where the errors are indicated. In the sheet test 3 we have these two errors, okay. Then in sheet 2 we have a name error, and in sheet 3 we have a ref error. So this way, before sending the workbook to your clients, you make sure that you are professional, that you send a clean workbook. I hope you enjoyed this cool trick. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. Thank you.